Hi, everybody.
Mr. Schmidt, holy macaroni and cheese!
It's been like
What
months.
is it? Oh my God! Tomorrow is the first day of school.
I know.
Where have you been?
I've been mowing
What
the grass.
is this about? You
Oh.
should have been doing some more mowing than that grass, buddy.
Well, this is
Isn't
pretty
it?
short. It's been longer.
Pretty handsome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, so what are we up to?
Well, we're doing some math in case anybody needs help with this lesson.
Okay, I love it, love it, love it.
And
Units
it's
of
called-
measurements.
Yeah, units of measurements, customary length, day 1.
Sweet.
So we're going to be working on this tomorrow, but after the lesson tomorrow, if anyone needs help, we're going to show you how to solve the problems.
Absolutely. Yeah, I love it because we can store it. And when my class is ready to do this, we can do this too.
So here we have a sofa or a love seat.
No, a little snuggle seat.
And what would you measure that with? What units would you use? What customary units would you use?
Inches, Mr. Schmidt?
I think I would use feet.
Oh,
I would use
yeah.
feet.
Yeah,
I'm guessing that's about
definitely
5 feet long.
Feet.
Yeah.
Feet.
Okay,
Yes.
what about the pencil? What units would you use for that? Customary units.
I'm thinking inches.
Yes, inches sounds
Thinking
good.
about a pencil. It's not quite a ruler league, so probably inches.
What about this little Hot Wheels car?
Oh, definitely inches.
Okay, and finally the ribbon.
Well, that ribbon's kind of...
They've made it look short, but we really don't know because
we
this
really
isn't a
don't
real
know.
ribbon.
I mean, this could be a big
If
fat
you were talking about a
ribbon,
real
big, yeah.
ribbon, what would you use?
Well, I'm thinking, you know what, though, with ribbon...
What about an awards ribbon? Like
Awards.
a ribbon that you get from an award.
You know what? I still think I would use inches.
Yeah. So the only thing that's actually kind of large is that love seat. And so we would use probably feet for that.
Yeah.
But you could
most
use
of the time-
feet and inches. You could use both.
Sure, because it's not going to... It probably isn't an exact
Right.
foot. Same way with the ribbon, because it could be a little bit longer.
Exactly. Okay. So
perfect.
here's the conversion chart. And apparently we're supposed to refer to this if we need to during the lesson. So it has inches at the top, and it says the length of a thumb from the tip to the knuckle is what?
Tip to the knuckle.
I think it depends on how big you are, right?
Yeah,
How big you are,
I'm thinking
or how
maybe
small you
for
are.
Mine, I'm going to think
Here,
that
use a
an
ruler.
inch and a
Here's a
half.
ruler.
Okay, Mr. Schmidt, that's sweet. Thank you. Oh my gosh, which one? Is it the inches or the centimeters? Okay, we're doing
Yeah, we're not
customary,
using- yeah. Customary means
And
inches.
the most important thing I want to remind everybody is we don't start at the end of the ruler. We start where the line is.
where the
That-
zero
yeah,
mark is.
Yeah, where that's at. And holy macaroni and cheese, mine is approximately
This looks like 2.5. Would you say
the
2.5?
knuckle. Hey,
2.5 inches,
Hey!
or just 2 inches?
we're calling it 2. Don't call me a big-footed person.
Yeah, I'm checking mine. Let me see. Yeah,
Small fingers.
mine looks about 2 inches also.
Yeah.
I guess if I'm looking at it this way. She was doing her sideways. So, okay, I'll say 2 inches.
I have a bigger hand.
Oh, no, she doesn't. She doesn't have a bigger hand. She just has a big hand for a woman. Okay,
Oh, I have long fingers.
Okay.
Stop it.
so let me see. Well, what would be the relationship here? Would we put a relationship here?
Inches, relationship, estimated lengths. Okay, well,
I don't think we need to because we wouldn't compare it to a
No.
larger unit.
no, we're not carrying
So that must be why that's blank.
it'd be
okay.
inches to inches.
And then 1 foot equals 12 inches, and they're saying
Yeah.
that's about the length of a license plate.
Yep.
And 1 yard equals 3 feet. That's about the length of a baseball bat.
Okay.
And 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. The distance you can walk in 20 minutes. Okay.
Police.
Okay, some people could walk that far and some people couldn't.
I'd be like,
Okay. All right, so let's go to the first part. This is the I do. So what does that mean, Mrs. Schmidt?
That means that myself, as a long-term educated teacher, I will be doing this myself. Go ahead, Mr. Schmidt. Have at it.
Well, no.
Okay.
Here's the pen.
Okay, so it says the
I'll do the next one.
The average male giraffe grows to be 6 yards tall. How many feet is that? Okay, so I'm going to come up here, and the first thing I want to do, even though it has things down here, says 3 feet equals 1 yard. I want to draw out.
Can I try something?
Oh,
Not with
see?
with the pen.
Okay.
Just with the size of it. I want to see if we can zoom in a little bit.
Okay.
View. Let's see if we can Okay.
Okay,
So
that makes it a little
let
better.
me see if we can get that centered though. Okay. Yeah. And then they'll be able to see it better.
Okay,
because
perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do, because I just, I'm like old, and so I like to see things the way that I see them. So oh my God, where is it? Mr. Schmidt.
we gotta
Holy
remember
mollies.
where everything is now.
Holy moly, I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been on
This
vacation.
is going to be a shocker for anybody who's
Okay.
actually subscribed to our channel.
I know. Okay.
To your channel,
So,
I'm sorry.
we're going to draw a 1 foot. Ooh, Mr. Schmidt, what's wrong here?
I don't know. I was having trouble the other day too.
Okay, so
I
we're
think
going to call that.
your tablet's better than
I
mine.
know. 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot.
Did you put the
4
screen
foot.
protector on yours?
I think so.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me see
And
if she
then
did.
5. And then 6. Okay, so this is going to be 1 foot.
Okay, wait.
I don't like the way this is working.
I'm not sure you're talking about the right thing. Because it says 6 yards tall.
Yeah.
Are these supposed to be yards?
Oh, shoot.
I think they are.
Shoot.
Let's
Mr.
erase that.
Schmidt.
Never mind. You guys can make a mistake.
Cancel. Cancel.
There's an
I
eraser.
apologize.
We can use the eraser.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to do this here. Oh, where's that thing at? I'm using Mr. Schmidt's tools here, and it's not really working out that well.
Well, here, let me try. Let me see. Okay, since they're my tools, let me see if they can actually, if I can work them. Let me see. Okay, and yep, it's working.
Okay.
Okay, she was just being mean to my tools. Here you go.
Okay, maybe I just need to hold it. Okay, so let's call this a yard. I gotta go back up and get that pin again. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say that is 1 yard. Oh my goodness. A yard.
Don't forget, they have to be able to hear you.
A yard. A yard. Whoa. A yard. Okay, so a yard, if I can look at a yard is 3 feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So these are yards, and each one of these, I'm going to put this down here, each one of these equals a foot. So it equals 1 foot, okay? So how many feet do I have? Well, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yards, so I'm going to say 6 yards equals, well, how many feet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 feet.
Awesome.
There
Okay,
you go.
my turn.
Excuse
okay,
me.
let me see. Okay, so now this one's about a python snake.
Oh,
Awesome. Good thing you
Excuse
didn't
me.
have to do the python snake.
I know. Just the thought of it made me choke.
You need a drink?
I do.
Okay. A yellow python is 8 feet long. How many inches is that? And then they show us a ruler down below that says 12 inches equals 1 foot. Okay, so this is kind of the same type of problem, right?
Yeah.
We have to have 8 feet. Okay, so let me see if I can. Let me see if I can.
He gets all technical.
Oh, I'm just gonna try.
Love it. I love
okay,
it.
1, and I wonder. I think I can just use the keyboard to do this. I don't know why it has that weird symbol there, but okay, let's do copy and paste. Oh no, it put it way at the top.
What did you do?
I put it way at the top. Okay.
Oh my
okay.
goodness.
Well, okay, I'm not gonna do it that way then. I'll just have to draw it. because I don't want it to have to zoom back to the top every time. Okay. All right. So let me see. Yeah, that is just a shame that it does that. Okay, so I need 8 of these, right?
You need 8,
Okay,
Mr. Schmidt.
so I need 8 of them. All right, so let me see. Go back to this.
I love Mr. Schmidt. He's always creative.
2, 3. Oh,
oh!
it switched back. 3. I don't care. I'm going to leave that little thing there. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
4. I'm going to run out of room.
Oh,
5.
We can do 2 more below.
Well, no, I can't. 5, 6, 7, and then 8. I'm gonna have to go over the picture. I'm gonna have to make it on the picture, guys. Yeah. 8. Okay, now I know those aren't all the same size, and I apologize for that. Let me click this one, and maybe I can. Oh no, no. Maybe this and this. What?
Ah.
Okay, whatever.
Let's just say it's.
So now I don't want to draw 12 little things underneath each of those boxes because I already had trouble. So I'm gonna say, okay, that.
Each one of them is 12.
Yeah, that one is 12. The second one's 12. The third one's 12. You could draw all those boxes.
Yeah, you could draw.
But it would turn into a hot mess. It's already a mess. So 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes, 7 boxes. Something happens sometimes. And okay, so I have 8 boxes, correct?
So 12,
1, 2,
12,
3,
12,
4,
12,
5, 6,
12,
7, 8.
12.
Now you could do 8 times 12, right?
Yeah.
You have 8 times 12. And if you already know the answer to that, and you guys are about to be in 5th grade, you should know the answer to that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, and if you don't, what's 8 tens? That would be 80.
80, exactly.
Plus what? 8 times 2 is
16.
16. And that
80
equals
plus 16 equals
96. So if you don't know it, you can just do it that way.
So it's 96.
So we have 96 inches.
Put the inches. Perfect.
And if I didn't want to multiply it, I could just add it up.
Mm-hmm.
And I would notice that that's 24, and that's 24, and that's 24. Let me see. And do we have another 24? Yeah, so we have 4 groups of 24.
Or if we remembered from the last one, we could have said 12, 12, 12 is 3 feet. 12, 12, 12 is 3 feet. So that's 2 feet and 24 inches.
Yes, we could have said that. But anyway, it says how many inches is that? We now know that it is 96 inches.
Very good.
Okay, now it's a we do. So you guys are supposed to be helping us on this one, but we're not going to tell you about this video until after you've already worked on it. So we will be working on it together.
So the average wingspan of an owl is 48 inches. How many feet is that? Well, that is where I really need my math facts, Mr. Schmidt.
Do you?
I really kind of think I do.
Okay.
Because if I do inches, so if I go here, I'm going to, do I have my pen? I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to come here and I'm going to draw myself a line. And guys, I have never drawn a straight line in my life, so bear with me. Okay? So if I have a line,
those little tools at the top really help.
I know. And we say that that is 48 inches. Okay? Well, how many feet is that? Well, it takes 12 feet to make an inch, or to make 12 inches to make a foot. I apologize. Okay, so I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to say that's 12 inches. Okay. If I...
Mrs. Schmidt, let's put a mark where the 0 would be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 12 inches. And so then if I come over here...
Or 1 foot.
Or right. 1 foot. Or I say another 12 inches, which is 24. And then I go 12 more inches, which is 36. 36 plus 12 more. I think I'm going to end up at 48.
Mm-hmm.
So, cross that off. So this is 12 inches. 12 inches. You're going to have to bear with me. My handwriting really isn't this bad.
Can I just say something about this?
Of course.
It's strange to me that it says 12 inches and 12 inches again, but then it switches to 36 inches and then 48 inches. So I think we ought to change the middle one.
So this one here needs to go to, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. That's my mind working.
That's because we haven't made these videos in months.
I know. 24 inches. In a pin that doesn't like to really...
Well, it does. Yeah, I think you just have to make sure you really match it.
So we have 12 inches plus 12 more inches makes it 24. Then 12 more inches makes it 36. Then 12 more makes it 48.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So how many feet is that? That is 1 foot. And this is 1 foot. And this is 1 foot. And this is 1 foot. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 feet. Okay?
Cool.
All right.
There's another we do. Let's go down.
Awesome.
I wish it would let me see if I can use... Good grief. Okay. That's the next problem, right?
Yeah.
The hare can leap 12 feet in 1 jump. How many yards will it leap in 3 jumps? Well, this one isn't that hard, right?
Well, if I look down here and I say 3 feet equals 1 yard, so I know that this is 3 feet. So each yard is a foot, right?
Mm-hmm. No. You said each yard is a foot. No.
Each yard is 3 feet.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you're in 12 feet. Okay. So I'm just going to do this I'm going to do it the way that it makes sense to kiddos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excuse me, little bunny. 11 and 12, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I always like to go back and check myself. So now I know that each one of these is 1 foot. Okay, and I'm looking at my diagram down here, and it says it takes 3 feet to make 1 yard. So if I go here and I go like this, Mr. Schmidt, if I can get this pin to work, I say 3 of these feet, that equals 1 yard. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So then I go and I take 3 more feet. That is 1 yard. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. And then I take 3 more feet. That's 1 yard. My goodness. And then 3 more feet. That's going to make another yard. So the question is, how many yards will it leap in 3 feet, in 3 jumps? The hare can jump 12 feet in 1 jump.
How many jumps did she show so far, you guys?
1.
1 jump. So we need 3 of these.
Oh!
So hold on. Put down the pen. Let's see if we can do something. Control Z. Okay, let me switch to this tool. Okay, and then we'll go like this. And we'll copy it. And we'll paste it and paste it. Okay. Now, at least it didn't put it way at the top again. Now, where's my... Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's go back over here and let's pull this over. No! Oh, my goodness. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Let's paste it. And then let's move that before. Control Z. Paste it again. And then we'll move it before it gets all torn apart. Okay, and then we'll do it again. And move it before it gets all torn apart. Now we have 3 jumps, correct?
Yes. So
And now we can count the yards.
Okay, so now we have one jump, and one jump. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we ended up with 12 yards. Oh my gosh.
Let me help. I gotta see if my tablet's broken or if it's just the way you're writing. Okay, let me see. 12 yards. And I'm using the same area of the tablet she was writing on.
Okay.
12 yards, and because it said how many yards will it leap in 3 jumps. So it's funny, right? Because guys, we started with 12 feet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we multiplied it times 3 jumps.
Mm-hmm.
So doesn't it make sense that the 12 feet would turn into 12 yards? Because if 3 feet equal 1 yard, then 12 feet equal 12 yards.
Yes.
Awesome.
Another way to do that, Mr. Schmidt,
Yes.
which was what I was thinking, was I drew out, it was actually 4 yards, but 12 feet, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And so if I have 12 feet was 1 jump. So I was going to take the 12 feet and then multiply it by 3.
And then divide that answer by 3 again.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're multiplying it times 3 and then dividing it by 3,
yeah,
well, it's not going to change. You'll end up with 12 again.
Yeah.
Just the units will be different.
Yeah.
Okay. So one thing I learned about converting measurements today was, that's up to you. I learned that Mr. and Mrs. Schmidt make a lot of crazy mistakes with their tablet.
Yeah, the tablet is something we are working with, guys.
Well, yeah, we're not having as much practice lately because we haven't been making our videos, but we are planning to make videos, aren't we?
Oh yes,
at least once a week.
At least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So guys, thank you for watching. It's 23 minutes, and we gotta go.
Bye.
Bye, guys.